So welcome guys, this video is going to be about how to install WordPress in your local host. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your browser and search XAMPP download. Head to the first link, make sure you go to the official link and then from here download the latest version. Here I have clicked on download. After clicking on download, the download will start shortly. So here my download is being started. So I have already downloaded it, so I will not be installing it again. So I'll click on cancel. Then next thing you have to download is WordPress. Now go to WordPress website. Now click on get WordPress. From here you will be able to download. So here my download button has appeared. Now I have already downloaded this also, so I'm going to click on cancel. Here my downloaded file is here. I'm going to extract it. This extract all. Yes, and here I'm going to extract this file. Let it be 100%. After extracting this file, you have to install this XAMPP application, that is a local host. From here open the application and it will show the installation processes, so you have to click on next and then allow it to install. So I have already installed it, so I am not going to allow it to install again because I have already installed it. So you can install it by this process. Now after the installation is complete, you have to launch the XAMPP application. From here you have to start the Apache and MySQL and click on this admin of MySQL. This will open the localhost PHP myadmin section. Now we have to click on new and create a database name WordPress. Now click on create. Now here our WordPress database has been created. Now after this what you have to do is go to the download section, and from here and from the download section cut the folder that you recently extracted, that is WordPress folder. Now I have cut it and go to this PC and local directory C and then go to XAMPP, and under htdocs you have to paste this. So paste it under the htdocs. Now after you move that file to the htdocs, you have to go to browser and search localhost slash WordPress. Sorry, I mistyped it. WordPress. While I was entering localhost slash WordPress, my file was not opening. It was because if you go to XAMPP file and under htdocs, if we see my file name is WordPress -6.8.1, so I have to insert the exact name after the localhost. So I will try doing that. So that was my name, and after I place enter, it will show like this. Now click on WordPress. Now here it will ask for the installation. We have to click on United States and then continue. So let's go. So give the name as WordPress and username I will give root. For the password I will also give root or anything you want. So I will give any random. So here and click on submit. Now try again. So if you face any problems doing this step, now try keeping the password blank. Now click on submit. This will work, and click on run the installation. Now we have to click on the slide title. You can give it anything like my first website. So I am doing this for, and you can give username as root again or anything you want. Now I will keep the password. So you can proceed with the use password, confirm use of use password. So you have to remember these things, and you can click on, you can give any email. So I am giving, my email, and click on install WordPress. Now this process will take off time. Now click on save. Now I have to log into it. So I had my username and password saved, so I'm clicking on login. The first login will take some time. Now here my WordPress has been installed, and now here you can start using the WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share